For the love of money, fame, fortune,
Nah, play me some big tune them.
for the love of music, the sky is the limit.
Girl, just pull up and shoot me. But anything Mr. Biggs wants nothing pay for yourself.
Mr. Biggs, no peer.
4 or 5 minutes.
They're playing the music now.
Made in New York. This story is about Jamaicans living in New York, trying to survive.
What happened to Wayne?
You see, if I ever catch she and that boy, Kala, Walla, what is it?
Not so Walla name.
Shot in the bum buckle at him, said man, shot and fat with big head, man.
Don't stay away from my cousin, boy. I'm going to take your blood clot face in a boy.
No, I don't know what you're talking. Yes, you know what I'm talking about. These are the motherfuckers who are gonna get you arrested.
Shot, I never see you busting shot.
Who set no limit to what they would do to make money, whether through drugs, guns, or music. The very talented singer Red Hat signs a recording deal with Get Rich Quick Records. Walla Walla, who decided to wait for his big break and not take the gangster way out, gets a link with Brown Sleeve Records but didn't make it. His wife Serafina got scared for her life after being attacked by notorious gangster who goes around intimidating selectors to play Mr. Big's tune. CEO of Get Rich Records. A must-watch Jamaican film with drama, suspense, and action, and also hilarious. Made in New York, a Hungry Man Films production.